And then we have somebody called G, and she came to us via YouTube. So G asked the question, following our YouTube video where I'm cleaning a faux suede sofa. Let me show you the post. So we're cleaning a faux suede sofa, and she's asking the question, what do you use to clean it? So what we have here is a faux suede sofa, and it can sometimes be confused for a leather suite, though it can sometimes be nubuck or something similar. You need to know what to look for. Usually what you'll do is turn the back of the fabric around, look at the back, and you can see that it's actually a man-made fiber rather than leather. And this fabric can be successfully cleaned using similar methods as what you would use normal upholstery on normal upholstery suites, although you need to take great care. So G has asked the question, what do we use on a sofa like this? Now again, this is one of those questions where I come to you from a professional standpoint, and I would say if you're not comfortable using this, get yourself a professional in to do the work for you. Do not attempt this at home, because you need to make sure it's safe, and you need to make sure you rinse out what you put into the fabrics. So if you are confident, you know that you need to use a neutralizer, what neutralizer you need to use, you've got the right machines that can create this. Here's what we use here at Art of Clean. Our first go-to product is a nice good detergent cleaner from called Citrus Fabric Pre-Wash. It's this product here. It's a really brilliant cleaner for upholstery, and it is very gentle but very effective. So this type of fiber and fabric responds really well to cleaning, but there is a little challenge with it, and that is if it gets old, the fibers can start to come out of the face and it can wear away, a little bit like losing hair on the skin. So it can become bold, and you can speed that up greatly if you use any solvents on it. So be very, very careful using a solvent on it. It is not good for the fibers. So just use a normal cleaner and make sure you neutralize it. Again, if you're not sure what to do to this, please rather call a professional. That's always better to do if you're not sure. Please do not attempt this to be cleaned by yourself if you're not trained and you don't know how to use the products or the machines. So G, I hope that helps you. We're using a good quality detergent with a good rinse aid, and then the right machines to clean those items with. And always stress again, watch out for any solvents on these fibers and fabrics, because you could make the fibers come out, and that can be non-reversible, and you might need to replace the suite.